Paul Frazier here in Bend, Oregon, but I'm in the Caldera neighborhood just south of Sunriver. Probably have never been in here. It's a beautiful area. It's higher end construction, great amenities, two different community areas with pool, a lake, golf, biking. You're right across the street from one of the best golf courses in the country. Absolutely beautiful, and not too far away from Sunriver. You can go up there and enjoy some of the amenities and walk along the river, that kind of thing as well. So a couple of things about this particular property: 2,780 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. And in addition, the thing, it's hard to find one that's never been rented. It's like properties that are on the market, usually they've been rentals for years and they have that wear and tear. This property has not been rented. It's been a primary residence for the current owners. And so that really helps with the overall quality of the home. It's been very loved and cared for. In addition to that, it has a lot of features. It would be easy access. Anybody in a wheelchair, has a roll-in shower in the master. Really hard to find features. So if you're renting this property, you could really make that a selling point, because there are not very many of these that have easy access or wide doors and hallways or a roll-in shower. That is how I've seen a few. So that's a real selling point. And so anxious to show it to you. A couple other things about the house. I'll talk as we go through and explain it to you. Let's take a look.